Hi guys, welcome to my video. I have my winter FabFitFun box, including all of my add-ons. We got this really amazing perk and I got my box. Today is, I'm not the best with dates. It is November 14th, which means that the other members, the all access members that pay quarterly, are just now customizing their box and just now selecting their add-ons. So as a select member, I really like this. Maybe as all access members, they might not like that. If you've been watching all of my spoiler videos, you already know what's in this box. So for all of those members that are all access members and you're still choosing your customizations or you're still choosing your add-ons, this might also help you make those decisions. So we're gonna start with the winter box, what I selected, what is it like, and then I will do at the end any of the add-ons that I chose. So nobody really knows what I chose, you just know that I did all the research on every single add-on. And if you haven't seen that video with all the research and you still are making add-on decisions, by the way, all select members and all access members can still purchase add-ons. So even though I have this whole box, I can still go back and purchase add-ons with the all access members. So there's a second round of add-ons for anybody that is a select member. So here we have it, our super cute winter. This is definitely my favorite design this year. Very winter themed. I wish that it snowed in Southern California, but it does not. We have our handy dandy winter 2019 guide. Again, there is some articles, some about the products, and how to repurpose your boxes. It's pretty nifty. But of course, our favorite page is the page that tells us how much our box is worth. I decided that I was going to customize my box this time. So everything that I have in my box, I selected. So let's start with something that is in all boxes. Everyone's box, no customization, everyone gets this. They did something different this time. They had a 6A and a 6B, but you couldn't customize it. So it's either completely random or it's selected for you based on some of the other items you chose. So for 6A, it's a Thirsty Hands hand mask. And then for 6B, it's the Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. I would totally be happy with either of those, so not really that big of a deal to me. But let's see what I got. So I have Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. It says calm your senses as you cleanse in a relaxing blend of lavender, provitamin B5, and shea butter. Now smell test. It's very strong lavender. If you do not like lavender, you will not like this. It's basically like lavender essential oil. I got some on my hands, so we're just gonna suds it up here and clean it. It feels really good. It says with lavender oil, but honestly, it just smells like you broke an entire bottle of lavender oil in there. So I love lavender, it's gonna work out for me. The second item, Prep and Rally Prime and Prep Detangler Spray. I already own this, I do like it. It smells pretty good, or I think it smells pretty good. I have scissors. Why do they make this so difficult? I'm gonna cut myself. That's how much I got off. Let's try from the top. Why is this so hard? Mom, I'm sorry that I'm holding my scissors like this. Okay, we got the top part off. That's all that matters. Oh, and now it's all just gonna slide off. Cool. I love it. Sprays pretty nicely. A lightweight detangler uses biotins, vitamin B and C, sea berry oil to protect against heat. So it's also a heat protectant and a detangler. It's a light scent and it's kind of fruity, at least in my opinion it's fruity. The last item that everybody gets is the makeup eraser in original pink. I probably have 8 of these, but I use them with micellar water, which is kind of like already a cleansing water, and it's literally like magic. I'm a big fan of these. I like the way they feel. They're machine washable. You just wouldn't use dryer sheets. So far, everyone's box should be valued at, actually, it's gonna be different this time because we have the weird like A or B. So it could be anywhere from $59 to $63. So already, with just the 3 items that come in everyone's box, you've pretty much made up the price of the box that you pay. And I think they're all pretty good items, so everything else is a bonus. Next, I'm gonna go through everything that all members can customize. So the first one was the one where I knew which one I wanted, which was the Unhide For Love Not Fur Lil Marshmallow Blanket in Cream. The other options were the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer, the Rebecca Minkoff set of arm warmers and hat, or the R&Co shampoo and conditioner. And a lot of people said that one smelled like cologne or Old Man's deodorant or whatever. And if you got that, can you write in the comments down below if it really smells that way? Because I mean, I'm going based off other people's reviews, so you never know. Don't come after me when I write something, because I'm really just I'm just telling you what other people are saying across the internet. So there are definitely times where I'm like, I'm not trying to hate on a specific company. This is really soft. I actually held chinchillas when I was in Japan. Not dead chinchillas, alive chinchillas. I held a live chinchilla when I was in Japan, and I'm not gonna lie, this faux chinchilla is pretty similar. They did a really good job of replicating that feeling. Feels really good. I'm glad I got this. I can tell it's warm just from it sitting on my lap. So the next set of items that everyone gets to customize included the, oh, that also included the Jonathan Adler candle. Now I know why my ginormous candle was in my add-ons box, because I paid extra for him. Look how big this is though. This is my face, this is the candle box. We'll see what the candle inside actually looks like. It's still pretty big. And it's got that ocean scent. This is kind of like a flat white color. It's not too shiny. It's got like a satin finish. Super cute. So for the second set that everyone could customize, you could choose the Bando shower speaker, the Erno Laszlo charcoal cleansing bar, the PJ Salvage slippers, or the Lash MD eyelash conditioner. Those were the 4 options. I went with the slippers because this is a winter staple. I don't even live in cold climate, but also the fur goes all the way in there. Like, it's not just decorative. The entire inside is this faux fur. I got mine in the size medium large. I was right on the edge. I'm a 7.5, so I was right on the edge. These fit pretty perfect though. Love it. Super glad I got these. The last set that all members can customize includes the Karuna Face for All face set, so it's a face mask set, the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops, the Adore by Swarovski Organic Circle Bracelet in rose gold, and Baddington Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes and Glue Kit. So of course, my little maskaholic self got the Face for All mask and eye set. So there's one for your eyes, and then it has, I don't even know, 5, 6, 7 for your face sheet masks. Nope, 6. Nope, how can I not count right now? There are 6 sheet masks for your face, 1 eye mask for your eyes, $42. That brings them to about $6 each. We are moving on to the third and final section of this video. Well, not the final section if you count the add-ons, but we're moving on to the third section, the items that select members can customize. So unfortunately, if you're customizing right now, that means you're not a select member, so you were not able to customize this. For the fourth item, I chose the Paper Source planner. Let's do a little up close and personal. It's really cute. Paper Source is just like pretty good quality in general. So this is kind of the style of planner that I normally get. It's lightweight. It has both month and weekly options, and it's cute. So I am happy with my selection. The last item that Select members could customize, I decided to go with the Frank Body Guess What? You'll Be Naked in 1 Minute Original Coffee Scrub. Did not know it was called that. You massage this all over your entire body and then you shower and then you're good. I believe in putting caffeine all over your body. Using coffee scrubs helps stimulate collagen production. It also helps with circulation. This is a dry rub, and it has almond oil, vitamin E that will help fade scars, and it has sea salt in there as like a natural antibacterial. I always kind of trust Frank Body, that's why I chose this one. So the fun part is to add up my total, and I paid extra for the candles, so I'm gonna leave that one out of my calculation. But for my Lil Hyde Marshmallow Blanket, that is retail of $65. Then for the PJ Selvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers, retail value of $45. For my Karuna Face for All Face and Eye Mask set, retail value of $42. And for the Paper Source Planner, retail value of $27.95. So I'm gonna say $28. For the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub, it's $16.95. We're gonna go with $17. For the Somatology Calm and Cleanse Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash, it was $39.95 or $40. And for the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, $23. Makeup Eraser Original in pink was $20. So overall, my entire box was worth $280. This time we also got a $100 off purchase of purple mattress, and kind of just like this little squishy purple sample if you want to do an egg test or whatever that's called, and a $90 gift card for HelloFresh. Now I'm going to move on to the add-ons that I selected. I honestly don't even remember the ones that I selected because I researched every single add-on. If you've seen my video, thank you for watching it. It's very long. I apologize for how long it is, but I tried to add every single add-on. I got the Liner Designer by Beauty Blender. This had really good reviews. Who wouldn't want an easier way to do liner in the morning? So it comes with this little object that you just place up against your eye to get the perfect liner. And I think there's different shapes because it's shaped like a little triangle. And I think each side of the triangle is for a different shape. Oh my. Well, we lost the squishy thing. Oh, okay, so it feels really bendy. And you just kind of hold it up to where you want it, and then you could do your line perfectly. So there's different shapes for different sides. It comes with this little mirror that houses it, which is pretty cute. There we go. Kind of on the go. And then it had a suction cup. It says place suction here. I guess so you could suction it on your mirror maybe. The next item I got was the Spongelli or Spongel in Night Jasmine. So it's got this really pretty scent. I take these everywhere when I travel. There's one in my bathroom always. It's kind of like having a loofah. Why am I dropping everything? It's kind of like having a loofah that you just throw away. So I guess you're supposed to throw away your loofah anyway. Yeah, facts. Okay. It's having a loofah that reminds you to throw it away because it has the body wash in it and it just starts to go away over time, and ta-da, you know when to throw away your loofah. And here is a different type. It comes in these round ones. It doesn't have the little thing that hangs up. So I do like those better, but this one you get 30 uses and that one you only get 14. And the scent for this is Blue Iris. I pretty much get those in every single FabFitFun box. They're so addicting, so if you don't want to get addicted, don't grab one. The Tea Tree Triple Treat, wow. Why would they do that to us? Invigorating shampoo for all hair types. This was a freebie. If you ordered a specific amount and added this to your cart, you got it for free. I got the Grace and Stella We Take Bath Time Seriously bath bomb set. So this has 4 bath bombs in it. Grapefruit, white fig, French lavender, and red rose. I'm not gonna open this yet because I'm probably not gonna use it right away, so I wanna keep it in its plastic. I got the Beauty Blender. I go through these so much, and Beauty Blender, the brand Beauty Blender, for some reason just lasts me so much longer than the other ones. Even if I buy some that I think are equal in price value as the Beauty Blender, I still feel like this one lasts better. So I don't know, maybe it's in my head, but if I have a chance to get it at a discount, I usually do. So I got this Becca Glow Gloss. Really? This doesn't seem like something I would get. Yeah, Becca Cosmetics Champagne Cream Limited Edition Glow Gloss. I don't know why I got this. Maybe somebody told me to get it for them? It's just not my style to get it, but apparently I thought it was a good deal or something because we have it. I don't think I would get this either. So apparently I also got Bios Apothecary Amaranth Infused Hair Serum. You guys, I really don't think that I ordered this, but my name is on it. So now I'm like, okay, this is two things that I don't think I would have put in my cart. I don't think I would put this in my cart, but that's so weird because there's now two items that I definitely think I didn't get. I think I got someone else's box because this is the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold. This is 3 items I definitely would not have picked for myself, but I wish I would have screenshotted what I had in my cart. So lesson to everyone out there, screenshot what you have in your cart. I definitely bought this because I remember getting it. This is the Moleskine Smart Tools Connected. It honestly didn't have the best reviews, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it just seems really useful and it seems like a good buy. It works with Evernote, which is something that I use. It's Bluetooth compatible, so you can write on these special notebooks with this special pen and it'll talk to your smartphone, and whatever you're writing here will be on your smartphone. And I definitely ordered these guys because, oh, this must have been in a bundle because I didn't care what was in the bundle. I just wanted to make sure that I could get 2. And there was a limit of only getting 1 of the 111 Skin Rose Gold face masks. So I also purchased the bundle and I didn't even look what came with it. So these items that I have no idea why I got them, that's why I got them. Wow. I feel so dumb right now. I feel really dumb. But like I said, I don't remember what I put in my cart sometimes. So there was a limit. You could get 1 111 skin mask, but the bundle was available with another set of the 111 skin mask. This is my favorite skin mask. I feel like my face looks good for like 1 to 2 weeks after. I honestly consider it replacing a facial. Like I really feel like if I can't get in for a facial, this is a good replacement. Obviously you're not getting extractions or anything, but the feeling on my face is very similar. They are very pricey. I could never afford them at full price. So I decided to grab 2 at the FabFitFun discounted price. I really love masks. I mask, I would probably say 3 or 4 times a week, every single week. And it's not always this mask, but I always do some type of mask. Those are my add-ons. Sorry that I was like not the smartest for a second, but we figured it out. So that's all that matters. We were smart at the end. I always spend a lot in add-ons. FabFitFun knows how to market to me. And especially because I read about every single add-on, I feel like I've invested all my time in that I have to buy add-ons, which is really backwards. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments, do you have your box? Are you currently customizing your box? What item are you excited for? What item did you get? Have you tried anything? All the details, everything FabFitFun, sound off in the comments. I love to read them. I respond to every comment. That's it. See you guys next time. Bye.